In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the apps installation on your Windows 11 computer to be allowed to be installed from anywhere, not just the Microsoft Store. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go and select advanced app settings. And then versus choose where to get apps, click the drop down and select anywhere. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.